The Ministry of Education says Jamaica's pass rate in this year's sitting of the Caribbean Secondary Education Certificate exams has surpassed the regional average for English A and mathematics. However, with concerns about the number of students passing 5 or more subjects, the ministry has outlined plans to address it. The results of the 2025 Caribbean Secondary Education Certificate CSEC exams are in, and while there are signs of progress, concerns remain about students' performance in core subject areas. Education Minister Dr. Dana Morris-Dixon provided details at a press conference on Friday. For English A,
85% of our students who sat CSEC 2025 English A got between grade 1 and 3. Now let's put that in context. Last year, it was 76% of our students.
In other areas,
theater arts, we're a very cultural country. 92% pass rate there and 90% in principles of business. Visual arts, 83% pass rate. Agricultural science, 86% pass rate. Biology, 84% pass rate. IT, 88%. Food, nutrition, and health, 93%.
However, mathematics continues to be a challenge.
44% of our public school children who did CSEC 2025 mathematics passed with a grade 1 to grade 3. 44%. We obviously want that to be higher, but last year it was 39%.
The ministry is again looking at ways to improve these numbers.
Something that we have to work on really actively to make mathematics more exciting. And some of the things I've seen is, in terms of new approaches to teaching mathematics, we've seen using more manipulatives because the students really do learn by play too, and using their hands and touching things and understanding the concepts in reality and not just abstractly. And you'd have seen a lot of work in the schools too. So we're expecting the numbers to go up over time.
Students looking to further their education are often required to pass 5 or more subjects, with math and English being compulsory. For 2025, only 19.2% of students who sat the exams did so, representing a 1.2 percentage point increase when compared to 2024. Amid concerns, Permanent Secretary Dr. Kazan Troop said the ministry is awaiting the City and Guilds results to carry out a thorough assessment.
So our commitment is to continue to retool our teachers. We're looking from the pre-service piece of the work, that is our teachers in the colleges. We're working with our colleges to review the curriculum, to review the materials, and to support the program of learning for our teachers in the colleges. We're also doing the in-service training.
In the meantime, the ministry says there was a pass rate of 91 and 92% in Unit 1 and Unit 2 of the Caribbean Advanced Proficiency Exam, CAPE.
Hey, bro.